Is generator AVR repairable? The answer is yes. The answer is no. Are you confused? No, don't be confused. Stay with me and I'm going to tell you why I answer yes and why I answer no. This is AVR. It is meant for generator. It regulates the voltage of the generator. This type of AVR, if you look at it very well, is not repairable. Why? The way it is done, as soon as it get burnt, get damaged, you replace it. No repairable. But if you have an AVR with fuse like this, you can see the fuse, and there is fuse inside your AVR, then it's repairable. For example, if there's a surge in electrical current or a spark somewhere, instead of the surge or the spark to affect the AVR, the fuse will cut. And when the fuse cut, what can you do? You can repair it. You can put another fuse and your AVR start running again. So such an AVR is repairable. But look at the one I'm holding now. It's not repairable. There is no fuse anywhere. But if the one that has fuse, sometimes you see the fuse somewhere here or anywhere around here, then before you can conclude that the AVR is bad, it is better you change the fuse first. And don't forget, for you to change the fuse, you don't need to remove the old AVR. No, as the AVR is fixed with the generator, just remove only the fuse. And in fact, you can even use a wire to connect the fuse and see what happens. If the AVR is still good, it will still working. But if you notice that there is a burst from this mesh here, or something like this, you see a burst there, then the AVR is gone. But if you don't see anywhere here that the AVR has burst and your AVR has fuse, you can repair it. You can change the fuse before you do it with the AVR. So you can ask why I answer yes, you can ask why I answer no. If you have this type of AVR without fuse, the answer is no. As soon as it gets damaged, you throw it away. But if your AVR has fuse, then it is repairable. So if you ask me, is AVR repairable? I'll answer yes and I'll answer no, depending on the type of AVR you are using. That is why each time I want to change AVR, I replace my AVR with a AVR with fuse, so that whatever that will happen to the AVR will happen to the fuse, so that when I replace the fuse, the AVR can stay working. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have learned something from this video, then share this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for listening to me. See you in my next video.